Good morning, Pine class. Today we're going to be revising counting in thousands, but first I want to break down what makes a 10, what makes 100, and what makes 1,000. So if you look at my top representation, each purple square represents a 1, and if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones make a 10. My next one, my green rectangles, each green rectangle represents a 10. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 tens. And if I count in tens 10 times, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens make 100. And finally, each blue square represents 100. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 hundreds. And if I were to count in hundreds, this is how much I would get altogether. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So 10 hundreds make 1,000. Now I wonder if you noticed a pattern with all of those. Send me some ideas if you did. We're going to just solve a problem involving some marbles now. So each of these drawings represents a jar of marbles. Now, firstly, let's work out how many jars there are altogether. So, 1 jar, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 jars of marbles. Each jar, as you can see I've written underneath, contains 1,000 marbles. So if each jar contains 1,000 marbles and there are 8 jars of marbles, how many marbles do we have altogether? Now if we count in thousands, we should be able to work this out. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So there are 8,000 marbles altogether. If you wanted to show this as a multiplication sum, it would look like this. 8 times 1,000 is equal to 8,000. Finally, I'd like to know what numbers are represented below. So if we look at our first drawing, each red cube represents 1,000. So let's practice counting in our thousands again. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. The multiplication sum for that would look like this. There are 6 cubes. Each cube represents 1,000. So 6 times 1,000 equals 6,000. My place value counters. Each counter represents 1,000, and I've got 4 of them. So 4 times 1,000 equals 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. On the worksheet that I will send through to Dojo, you will have some similar problems to work through, and there are also some much trickier word problems to have a look at. I look forward to seeing how you get on. Good luck!